Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to save photo to files on iPhone. So first you tap on the photo and then tap there and then you scroll down to save to files. Tap there and then you can choose where you want this document to be saved, and you could also rename the document by tapping there and then tap done. And then if you've chosen the folder, you can just tap on save on the top right corner, and then that's it. So the photo will be on files, so you can just go to browse, and then on my iPhone, since I've saved it there, and then there you go. So I hope this video is useful and thank you for watching.